Presenting boAt Nirvana Ion Earbuds. It is available in colors black and white. The box contains earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. These wireless earbuds connect using most advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology that gives flawless, uninterrupted and smooth delivery of music. These true wireless earbuds have crystal bionic sound powered by Hi-Fi DSP-5 which support dual AQ modes like boAt Signature Sound and boAt Balanced Sound. It comes with a massive playback of 120 hours including 24 hours of playback per charge. It features with 4 mics ANX technology which helps block unwanted noise and makes sure your voice gets delivered clearly while you are on your calls. These earbuds are equipped with Beast mode which offer low latency of 60 milliseconds removing any kind of lag during your gaming sessions.